Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about a quick review of GetResponse. Let's get started. One of the strongest names in email marketing is GetResponse. More and more email marketers trust this marketing app to send marketing emails to their subscribers. An autoresponder is an essential tool for email marketers. GetResponse will help you send email marketing campaigns that are engaging to your subscribers. It has ready-made workflows that will help you set up the emails that you need to send to your subscribers using their marketing automation. It also allows you to generate leads with the landing pages that you can use to offer incentives, use their sales funnel to showcase your products, and increasing your chances of selling them. You can also conduct webinars using GetResponse. It has an easy-to-set-up software, and you can try it for 30 days free of charge. You can host unlimited webinars, have up to 1,000 attendees, share the webinar presentation with 2 other presenters, and store up to 20 hours of webinar recordings. The easy-to-use webinar software allows you to customize your webinar URL, send registration links to your subscribers, help you collect new leads, and the webinar increases your chances of conversions as people see you live. You can even promote your event and send people to your landing page so that they can register for your live event. Also, you can integrate Facebook Pixel for the purpose of retargeting visitors to relevant offers at a later time. GetResponse allows you to schedule your email campaigns. This way, you can do all the crafting of your content and get it ready to be posted. You can even set the dates when you're going to send your crafted content at a particular day. This feature will help you spend more time in the success of your business rather than spending more time in your email campaigns. You can set up the welcome email on the first day, then send random tips after 3 days until you get their trust since they receive emails from you that they are interested in. You can also track your email marketing metrics that you need to monitor in real time. The real-time activity tracking feature of GetResponse will help you check the success of your email marketing campaigns through its click-through rates and open rates. Also, you can find out how much of your subscribers are using their desktop or mobile phones to view your emails. You can also compare different emails and find out which generated better metrics such as the open rate, click rate, and the subscribe, bounce, and complaint rates. This helps you determine what works best for your audience. You can also do split testing to test up to 5 email versions and find out the best strategy that works for your subscribers. Also, you can track the success of your email marketing campaigns. GetResponse will track the sales that your email campaigns generated. You also have a separate autoresponder statistics that you can monitor. This will allow you to check your autoresponders' messages sent and identify the weak points and improve them. GetResponse can help you segment your lists and see the report as sent, opened, and clicked. As you see the statistics, you will know what emails were unopened so you can improve it to get more open rates. You can also set up automated reports and schedule it, and this insight will tell you the open, click rates, and the unsubscribes. GetResponse is one of the reputable brands on email marketing software online for small, medium, and large businesses. You can try it for free and see if all the features of the autoresponder in this app suits your business needs. Now that you know all about a quick review of GetResponse, we can now proceed to the next topic, a quick review of Aweber. I'll see you there.